Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is briefly discuss the requirements for the production of certified seeds. So it is of 10 marks question and you have to attempt in the range of around 150 words. So this is a brief introduction regarding the certified seed production. That is, certified seed production involves the systematic procedures to maintain the genetic and the physical purity as per the standards prescribed by the seed certification agencies under the Seeds Act 1966. So the main purpose of certified seed production is to maintain the genetic and the physical purity of the seeds, and the act which govern the certified seed production is Seeds Act 1966. Now, what are the requirements of certified seed production? Number one is seed source. Certified seeds are produced using the foundation seeds which are genetically pure and they are obtained from the authorized institutions like state agricultural universities, ICR, etc. So the source of the certified seed is foundation seed. Then isolation distance has to be maintained as per the crop specific norms to prevent the cross pollination and maintain the varietal purity. For example, in case of rice, the isolation distance is 3 meter, while for tomato it is 20 meter. So this isolation distance is different for different crops. Then field standards. Fields must be free from the weeds and off types, and rogging to be done at different crop stages to remove these unwanted weeds and off types. Then inspections, minimum of 2 to 4 field inspections by the certified seed inspectors is to be done during the critical growth stages. Then cultural practices, recommended agronomic practices including the pest and the disease management to be followed. Then proper harvesting and grading using the certified processing units. Then seed testing for germination test, purity test, moisture content, seed health, etc. So these seed tests has to be conducted regularly. Then tagging and certification. So only the lots meeting the Indian minimum seed certification standards are tagged with a blue label and they are released as certified seeds. So there are different colors for different types of seeds because there are so many types of seeds like breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seeds, etc. And different colors are allocated to the different varieties of seeds. So the blue label is given to the certified seeds. So these are some of the requirements for the production of the certified seeds. So in this way you can attempt this question. Thank you and keep watching my videos, and to get the PDFs of these videos you can join my Telegram channel, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.